Hey guys, I'm back. I'm back. Yes, I'm back from the hustle and bustle holiday we had in Nigeria. I need another holiday to recover from the holiday in Nigeria, to be honest. Yes, you guys saw everything that was happening. I kept you updated. I heard in the YouTube grapevine that all I do now is go to every market in Lagos. That I don't want to cook anymore. Come on, yes. Ingredients don't finish. So I went home to stock up. I went to look for the choicest ingredients in Nigeria so that I can continue to bring you these recipes. Yeah, we're already in September. Very soon it will be Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year. So I went to stock up for the end of year chop up. Yeah, I'm happy to be back. And in this video, I'll show you how I brought all those ingredients with me into the country where I live. Remember, I live in Spain and every Nigerian food ingredient I took with me is what is allowed in Spain for now. Yes, these laws change every day, so you need to keep ahead of the laws for the country where you live. What I can tell you now is that palm oil is not allowed by any airline that operates from Nigeria. Yes, this has been in effect for a few years now, and don't bother to bring palm oil. It will be taken off your bag even before you check the bag in. Even if you sort them out and they allow you, they say, oh, go, you can go with it. No, you'll be called out in the loading area, just before they load the plane to come and take it off. So unless you want to do Christmas for those at the airport, do not bother to bring palm oil with you. It's not allowed. With all that said, I'll start with the ingredients that my mom and my mother-in-law brought for us from Eastern Nigeria. This is abacha. It's still in the bag since they came. Abacha will always stay crunchy once it does not come in contact with water. This is dry okwa, breadfruit. Once they arrived, we spread them out like this on a clean floor so that it will not become moldy. Nigeria is hot and humid, so you need to air it out. This one is achicha, cocoyam flakes. I love this so much. I am traditional like that. I have a recipe for how to prepare it. The link should pop up on the screen right now. Again, I spread it out to keep it dry. This one is brown beans. I can only buy black-eyed beans where I live, so I usually take brown beans with me because it is more delicious than black-eyed beans. My two mummies helping me to pick beans. Yay! Dalun. Nke a ozi nnalu obulu siri beans gbanyo gawa. Next, the things that I bought from Oyinbo Market today. Remember, I went to Oyinbo Market the very same day that we were supposed to travel. As soon as I got home from Oyinbo Market, I spread out the ube on a clean floor like this. For those who ask me how I prepare ube for travel, here we go. The first step is to buy it the day you will travel or the day before at the earliest. Then spread it out like this. Don't let water come in contact with it. Rinse the snails and wash off the slime with the lime. Remember, we are traveling later today in the night, so these snails need to freeze before then. It's about 10 a.m. now. Ideally, I should have gone to Oyinbo Market the day before to give something like these snails time to freeze, but the day before was a Thursday, which is usually a market cleanup day in Lagos, Nigeria. I gave more details in my Oyinbo Market video. Check the link. I even forgot to ask them if they obey the 10 a.m. rule for Thursdays at Oyinbo Market. Does anybody know what time Oyinbo Market opens on Thursdays? Please comment below to let me know. Put in Ziploc bags. Bind it very well with a sellotape and put in the freezer. You can see that the bitter leaves from yesterday are already frozen. Here I'm sellotaping the fish and stockfish. You want to tape them so that they can stay in place, especially the dry fish. Else, they will just be moving around in the box, knocking against each other, and by the time you get to your destination, they would have broken into pieces. I bought some of these for people that live in the same city as us in Spain, so I'm labeling them so I know which one is for whom. I also bought these stockfish pieces, or you can call them big crumbs of stockfish. I call them stockfish chin chin. It's very good in soups. They season your soup very well. Again, I sellotape everything and label. I open each bag to see what is inside, then sellotape and label. Egusi, you want to tape the egusi very well because if the bag punctures, it will make a huge mess in your box. Benny seed, that's small egusi, the egusi alternative. Okay, yam. I'm laughing because this is the first time we are taking yam from Nigeria. We can buy yams where we live, even though they are very expensive. But this time, my husband wanted us to bring a few tubers, so I'll just wrap them with a newspaper like this. Oba. Nothing will happen to this oba because it is like rubber. It will remain like this till whenever. It will only ferment, that is soften, when you intentionally create conditions for it to ferment. I have a video for that. Check out the link. So no need to freeze it. I'll just tape it and put it in the box. The dry okwa, crayfish, next the fresh vegetables. One advantage of going to the market on the day you travel is that the vegetables will be at their freshest by the time you get to your destination. Freshest being the key word here. How fresh they will be, it depends on your travel time to your destination. Just like Dubai, make sure the leafy vegetables you buy are not washed and there should be no water on them. The oha has been prepped in the market for me, so all I need to do is pack them in the box. I wrap the scent leaves like this. Curry leaves, the same way. These two soft vegetables should receive as minimum manipulation as possible. That's why I do not even pick them. Too much manipulation makes them turn dark. Uziza leaves. Uziza is a tough vegetable, so it can withstand such manipulation as picking them. Oma leaves. I should have prepared the Oma leaves, that is, remove the stalks and wash them, but at this time we were running late and I like to clean it myself, so I just packed everything sharp. I have a video of how to clean them thoroughly. Okay, I did not have time to film what our boxes looked like after packing the food ingredients. As I was wrapping them, my husband was packing and weighing the boxes, so no time. I also had other last minute stuff to do to make sure we did not forget any important things in Nigeria. We are now at Murtala Mohammed International Airport in Lagos. Sadly, the Nigerian customs are back at the airport. Between 2016, it may have been early 2017, and early this year, that's 2018. I traveled to Nigeria about 3 times and they were not there at all. But now, they are back to searching people's bags and collecting bribes from those carrying food items. This time, they are right beside the big scanner at the entrance to the terminal building. We landed safely, and this is what the Spanish customs desk looks like. I heard that there are some changes to the food importation rules in Spain. I don't have any details on that yet. I don't know what is allowed in the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and every other place in the world. Please share your experiences bringing in Nigerian food ingredients into the country where you live. So that's it for Nigerian food ingredients prep for travel abroad. I hope this video answers your questions. I'll upload another video about what I do to some of these ingredients when I get to them, how I preserve them. Yes, I already have one video for that. The link should pop up on the screen right now, but I'll still make another video that includes some of the ingredients I did not cover in that other video. So watch out for that in a few days' time. Before then, it's time to sort these out. Who is coming to help us out? Bye bye. See you soon. Savannah.